Welcome to my garage.
Hey, it's filming.
Look. Is it not level? Or is that the driveway?
This whole project started out with a whole bunch of hurdles to get over.
We'll do it. $. Yeah.
So we want it to go this way.
That's what we want.
Does it?
Not bad. Oh, it's fine.
Right here. Just
Nothing in this house is straight as is.
okay. So we're gonna have it like that. And does this go? No. See, my brain. Because we want that on the inside. Right? Hold on. Maybe I do need. Maybe I do need. No, wait. Just because I think it was off the way you do this. But my brain is just not handling that right now. Is it even down there? Yeah. Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah. Okay, so I'll take that one away. Oh, yeah. That,
It was way off.
I knew it moved. It felt funny. Boom. Okay. All right. Let's make sure. We need to flip it. Flip it. Yeah. Yeah. Is it good there? Okay. Okay. So we've got these.
It's still not right?
Did I not need to cut that edge?
So I'm wondering if we were supposed to do something to make.
How do you not? How do you?
I wonder if these are supposed to be.
See there it fits. Yeah.
So I know it doesn't because this is still. This sits down here. And then these are supposed to butt up here. So what was not supposed to get cut?
I know. Hold on, bring that back there, and let's bring this up.
But then this, you didn't need to be cut flat. This could have been cut flat.
That could have been cut flat, and just the sides, maybe that's what it was.
So maybe this should have been cut flat.
Straight, or I didn't need to cut that.
There, let's look up how to build a box with
Curved edges.
I got my computer.
I'm sure it'll tell us.
Haha, so when in doubt, pull up YouTube to figure out how to do something on YouTube.
Yeah. Oh, we did it on two sides.
What did we do it on?
We did it on,
So these should have been flat.
those should have been flat. So we'll just cut these off,
They'll just be shorter.
and it'll be 2 inches short of 6 feet.
Whatever.
Yeah. Cut the edges
Yes,
first.
this will have to get cut in. Here, I can help you.
I mean, where's the blade? Where's the blade? Okay, the blade's different now.
It's straight
Okay,
now.
it's
So
on this one, because that's a 45-degree
Yeah.
one. Yeah, oh my God. Holy crap. Okay, okay, here we go. Not that I didn't want to. So all we're gonna do,
right now.
yeah, well, I'm gonna put it on, and I usually just kind of let this kind of soaks it up.
And you just literally just kind of, do we let it sit before we like it?
I let it sit just a few minutes.
Okay.
Well, usually until I get down to the end or I'm done. I like the knots in it. I think the knots kind of, and all the little dings too, it kind of gives it character.
Okay, be good. There's someone on your camera.
I know, I tried to clean it off. Normally it's like, clean your camera lens.
Okay.
Oh, I guess I don't need this.
Oh, there we go.
What did you just clean?
My camera. With my.
Oh, right there.
Were you cleaning your screen? Phoebe, stay here.
Baby, come here. Look.
Well, that looks dark.
I don't, so sometimes with this, because it almost has a purple hue to it,
It's really dark.
but you'll wipe it off. I was just mixing it.
I feel like it's just looks like kind of aged.
Oh, it's got a little bit of gray in it too.
It does, but I wasn't going for the gray
Let's see,
necessarily.
you can always put a coat of this over that to get it to match.
True.
Or if you're gonna use that in the same room. you worry.
Lobby.
Yeah. Is it pretty smooth or does it need to be roughed up?
It's smooth, but I mean they're going in the same room, but I don't really think that you're gonna be able to. Well,
That one does have a little bit of gray.
you gotta get, or else they're never going on my hands.
I always go. And just do it, and then you can wipe it off. Some
But we're gonna have to do the
stains-
sides of.
Uh-huh.
I think your board is darker than my board.
It could be. It could absorb it differently. But we can put a couple coats on. I like it like that.
I
across. I'll let it sit for a second and then see if I can wipe it off. This is why I like my spray bottle, because then I can kind of keep it wet for a second. What do you think about that? See? It absorbs differently.
Yeah. This side got darker than this one.
Mm-hmm. And if that's the case, then put a little bit more on the other side. 'Cause that's kind of...
So that's where all those little freckles were.
Is it really? Yes. He's so weird. Lola does the same thing. So, future Laura here, we ended up not realizing that we had used a
Pretty similar.
oil-based pre-stain, and the stain that we had chosen was water-based. And
I mean, they all
you
look
should
relatively
know
the same except
oil
for
and
that.
water don't mix, and we did not realize that. So it was fine. We ended up taking a trip back to our favorite place. No,
Oh, water? Why are we doing water based?
I was going to see if there was any water-based to make sure that I didn't have it.
Weather good?
She gets very pushy. After all of that, I ended up packing up the boards that we had done, and we had figured out that we needed to go ahead and strip and get all of that stain and pre-stain that we had already laid down off. So I took everything home and stripped it off, and ultimately you'll see I end up sanding it off and restaining everything. See, I got my helper.